So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add coupons on Airbnb. So first of all, go to airbnb.com. After that, you will see Airbnb. You can see the search bar in the middle. You can see your account on here once you've logged in using your email and password. Through here, you can see some options like the offers to rent out homes in your vicinity. In order to do that with a coupon, I suggest you click on this. From here, you can see messages, trips, wish lists, manage listing, host and experience, refer a host, and account. Click on account. After that, you will see your profile and you can see your account settings on here. So personal info, login and security, payments and payouts, some notifications, privacy, taxes, and so on. Go to payments and payouts. Through here, you can see for payments some settings, like your payments, you can manage them. You can see your payment methods underneath as well, and you can see Airbnb gift credit, and you can see your coupons. So you can see how many you have on here. Right now it says 0, so let's click on this. After that, you will see a tab open up. It will say enter a coupon code. Once you've typed out a coupon code that's valid, you can click on redeem, and then you will have a coupon which you can spend in the payment method and check out once you've gone and made a reservation through the homepage or some other way on Airbnb. But it has to be linked to this account, so make sure that you're logged in directly to this account on which you've redeemed the coupon. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Airbnb or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.